Hi, this is Lisa McManus from ATK Gearheads, and I'm here to answer some of the questions that you had about our baking video. Let's get started. First, why does ATK recommend a non-stick angel food cake pan as its winner when the majority of recipes on other baking sites say don't use a non-stick angel food cake pan? Well, we tested both non-stick and not non-stick angel food cake pans, and honestly, the cake climbed just fine. The reason they say don't use non-stick is because you want the cake to get very tall. It climbed just fine in our winning non-stick pan. And then when it came time to come out, it actually came out of the pan. The one that had no non-stick coating rose nice and tall, but then we struggled to get it out of the pan. Also, our winning pan has a removable bottom, which makes it even easier. So we got great results and the cake came right out. So we recommend a non-stick tube pan or angel food cake pan. Someone was asking where they can get the lid to the baking sheet. We have a half sheet pan by Nordicware. Nordicware also makes the lid for the baking sheet. It comes in the half sheet size and the quarter sheet size, and it fits the respective half sheet pans from Nordicware. They're available on Amazon. And you can buy them, I believe, if you haven't got the baking sheet, you can buy it as a set with the baking sheet, or you can buy it separately. Someone was asking about the cooling rack set inside the half sheet pan when you use it for broiling and for meats. Is there a secret to cleaning it after? Yes, it can get a little messy because we love the grid style, and some of those little corners will get things in them. What I do is I put the baking sheet into the sink, and then I invert the rack inside the baking sheet so that the grid part is on the bottom. And then I fill it with hot soapy water and I let it sit, 20 minutes or whatever, and come back with a scrub brush. Our favorite winning scrub brush is by Cedar, and it's really good at scrubbing little corners of things. I have it right up here on my sink, and I just grab that and I give it a little scrub and it rinses right off. So that's been my trick for getting all the little nooks and crannies clean, and I hope it works for you. If you don't have room in your sink, you can just set it on the counter, obviously, and invert it and put the hot soapy water in and let it soak. For dry measuring, why not use weights instead of volume? Won't that provide a more accurate result? Yeah, most baking recipes do use weights. For professional bakers, they all use weights rather than volume. One of the things we really try to do is not make you buy equipment you might not have, and everyone usually has measuring cups and spoons, but they don't necessarily have a scale. We really think you should get a scale, and we do provide some weights in some of our baking recipes, and we're doing that more and more. But if you don't, you will still be able to have a good result if you use measuring cups and spoons and don't have a scale. And remember, when you're measuring, you want to dip into the ingredient and then sweep across on a level with a flat, like back of a knife or something, and that will give you the most accurate measurement. One of the questions we saw was that someone commented that the roasting pan with rack that we've recommended for several years has been discontinued. And we were sad about that, but we went right out really quickly and retested because we know it's the season that you're going to be using these things. We have a new winner. It's called the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Stainless 16-inch roasting pan with rack. We fully recommend it. It's our new winner. Okay, so thanks for all those great questions, and we hope to see you next time on Gearheads.